Yo, what's good, guys? It's ZFS right here, and basically another day in my life. And today is Saturday, so what we normally do on Saturdays, past text, we study, and we take journal of our weekly treat. And in this video, I'm just gonna take you through my weekly treat, the journal, how I journal this week's treat, and one thing I want to let you guys know is that a lot of things happened this week. Yeah, like I was on the verge of like blowing my account. Like like I was thinking I was disciplined already due to last week performance, but I didn't know that a loss can change everything. Like I didn't actually take a loss though. It was just break even. Yeah, I didn't actually know that break even can change everything. Yeah, I can just say break even just like loss. After running in profit, then just retested and stopped me at break even. Like, okay, without further ado, guys, let's get to the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. You know what? It goes a long way motivating me to drop more videos. Just kind of support my journey. Big thumbs up to you if you do so. Yo guys, so this is my journal for this week's trade. So from the journal, on Sunday I had a loss, on Monday no trade, Tuesday you see BE but you are seeing minus 23%. Wednesday you see a win plus 23%. On Thursday you see BE again and minus 18%. Then on Friday you see BE plus 9% because this week was crazy. Like I was almost close to, like I was at the edge of like losing my account. I got kind of fucked up my psychology. You see me over trading. Like on the 10th, which was on Tuesday, my initial trade got stopped me out at BE. That was normally as a disciplined trader. I always like kind of want to train myself on how to be disciplined, like just one trade at a time, no much, no rush, just one trade at a time. So after my first trade, normally I'll just go off the market, no more trading till the next day. But on this day, trader UJ price reverse, stop me out, break even. Then later on during the day, I went to trade again and I lost a lot of money. I lost so much. That's around 23% of my account. I lost it due to over trading. Psychology issue, guys. Then on Wednesday I had a win. On Wednesday a lot of things happened on Wednesday. Like, let me tell you what happened, guys. I'ma just let you guys know what happened on Wednesday. This win, like the trade I took on Wednesday was on SAU, on gold. Yeah, I caught this sell like this. So caught this sell, was in profit, 100 plus pips in profit. Then I broke even. Price was just like when I took the trade, the movement was fast, but after the trade was running, no, the trade was running around 300 pips in profit. Then I broke even. Then it began to like kind of retest. I was just kind of scared. Okay, I don't want this thing to hit me at break even. So I just had to close at 100 pips. Yeah, that's 100 pips. Yeah, I had to close at 100 pips. That's around 20% of my account. That's it. And after some time, guys, after I closed, I might not show you guys my phone now. After I closed, like SAU started going in by direction, guys. Look at the trade here. SAU. See, I closed here and it kept on going down, down, down. So my psychology was kind of fogged up. Guys. Then I took another sell from here, with its stop loss. I got like my psychology was for. I might just show you the screen. Kind of do a screen record of everything I'm talking about now. So I'm gonna show you guys now. Like, this is a screen record of it. Like when I took the sell, 100 pips. Kind of like the sell was already running 300 plus pips in profit. Then it started retesting. I was afraid that maybe it's gonna take me out at BE. Then I just closed. After I closed, it just continued going down. Like the sell continued. So my psychology was fogged. This was when everything started going wrong with me. Then I had to take another position. I was thinking, okay, the sale will continue. Unfortunately for me, I didn't even analyze. Like I did not analyze. I just entered. Due to this, like I couldn't take the pain of closing too early. Then I got stopped at 210 pips, guys. 210 fucking pips. Imagine what the fuck? Who uses this kind of stop loss? Like I didn't even place a stop loss. Like I just placed the trade. Let's see. I was like, okay, let the trade just run small, just close without a stop loss. Before I could just let me get back to my chart. I just see a long bullish candlestick. Fuck. I just had to close immediately manually. Then after some time I realized okay, it was a buy actually, just kind of a change of character. Yeah, a buy, break of structure, then change of character, then it's not a buy. That was where I took these two positions here. Yeah, I took these two positions. Like I had closed this one already on Wednesday. I closed one. I opened two positions. I closed one. Then I closed one. Then I left the other one running. But I'm already breaking even. Before Wednesday run went out, I was already in profit, 250 pips in profit. So I just have to let's because I was open, let's say you get to 3,400. That was my take profit, 3,400. And the next morning, immediately after London session opened, bro, see the fucking retracement, stop me out, break even. Then continue going, even went to 3,400. You can see where my initial take profit was 3,400. Like I was fogged, bro. I was fogged, bros. Guys, I was fogged this week. Like I was like, what the fuck is wrong with me? The fuck is wrong with me, bro? And after during my back testing, reflection, I realized that if I had not taken this mindset I had taken, if I had not taken this like this loss, I think I would have gotten this entry this next morning trading the London session for real. I would have gotten this entry, but it is what it is. You just have to not to repeat the same mistakes again. So let me just show you guys trade overview of this week's trade list overviews. Trade overview. Yeah, this week trade. Yeah, BTC got stopped out 33 pips, UJ break even, SAU win, SAU break even, SAU break even. Yeah, these are my initial position if I had my right mindset. So I was like, I don't know how I can journal my trade, because I did a lot of things. I over traded, did a lot of stuff that I should not have done. So I was like, okay, how do I journal this week's trade now to look more sensible and more kind of presentable? I'm like, okay, I'll only journal my initial trades. Yeah, I will only journal my initial trade. That's why I journal just the initial trade. And initially, you can see that this week I had only one win, one loss, and 3 break even. One loss, one win, and 3 break even. And the funny part is that the win is kind of okay. At the end of the day, you can see my profit and loss. I lost 4%. Secondly, lost 23%. Then I gained 23%. Then I lost 18%. And lastly, I gained 9%. At the end of the week, I was seeing loss. I was seeing drawdown. It's so funny, guys. Having one win, and I know my risk to reward.
I know that only 1 week can cover all my loss, but due to the way I was trading, the win did not. But actually, the win did, but due to over trading, it did not recover all my loss. Actually, when I won this trade, all loss was recovered. Yeah, the loss I made on Sunday and the loss I made on Tuesday was recovered, but due to like bad trading habits, I wasn't able to, like, I gave back market the profit I made. That's it. I gave back market the profit I made. And just from my reflection, I just hope I don't repeat this mistake again, because this week mistake, all the mistake I made this week cost me. Like, I was wishing to be making $50 per week. There's always setback though. I was able to make $50 last week. This week I wasn't able. I was around. I lost this week. I think I lost $13 this week. Yeah, first week made $50. Second week $13. We just hope for the better next week, and just like that. Let's see what I know we are gonna hit 10K before, in the next 6 months. Started June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, we need to hit 10 fucking K, guys. Even more than, if you can. Yeah, fucking real. If you can hit more than 10K, yeah, sure, we will. That's it. Please, if you watch to this extent, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It goes a long way motivating me to drop more videos. See you guys in my next video. Peace.